All ancient civilizations depicted and believed flat Earth. Then NASA came and brought with them globe Earth. Our world is so much bigger with unexplored continents. Astrology and flat earthers are always symbiotic. If you think of it as a ball spinning, constantly chasing the sun, your constellations will change. On a flat earth, it all makes sense since our constellations are on the same pattern and on the same location. We are not moving. Earth is just expanding. It is a geocentric universe. The center of the Earth itself is magnetic. Compasses only works when Earth is flat and level. That is always drawn to the center of North Pole all the time. And that is how it works. The Gleason map of 1982 shows this point. The 1569 Mercator projection of North Pole, in it, there's a magnetic black rock, which is known as the Rupes Negra, provided a supposed explanation on why all compasses point on that exact location. This isn't fictional, it is a document that is studied and navigated throughout the years. This should be the map of the world, but of course, they all wanted fiction. Here we have a flight path from Argentina to India. Why stop over in Europe and not Africa? And if you ask me why is that, it's so obvious that the Earth is not a globe. I mean, if you are a great pilot, your flight path should be from Argentina to Africa stopover, then India, right? Changing flight path this way, it only means that they need to prove a globe Earth. And it is so funny to even think of it. The same flight path of Dallas, Calgary, and Beijing. Some things not adding up in this globe route. The Flat Earth Gleason map is both scientifically and practically correct. A standard map of the world even before way back the secret societies came along with the elites. Stars that twinkling above looks like this, luminous, and it is together with the waters above. All those people who contributed about heliocentric model founded, nurtured, and enforced by Jesuits. The idea of solar system has infected the entire masses since childhood with a nihilistic and sadistic mindset that only set path of distraction. This is before and after Photoshop. I mean, you just can't be out there because pressured gas requires containment. A vacuum chamber also requires a containment. They fake all this moon landing just for you to believe a globe Earth. Sun and moon are local and not 93 million miles away. Because if that is 93 million miles away and wider than Earth, then you have to explain this light race. Here, this is called the solar geometry, the measurement of the angle of the sun to the Earth. And this can only be calculated on a flat surface. Undersea cables are meant to be down there because there's no way satellites outside space. NASA lost the entire technology that they supposed to use on the moon landing. But Elon already making tech that is not out of tinfoil. If it's not globe, then why boats disappear when far away? Now, we have what we call the linear perspective, and it has three main components, which is the vanishing point, the horizontal line, and the orthogonal line. Vanishing point on the horizon, where all the lines on a ground level come together. Horizontal line is a place where the land and the sky meet, and this is always equal to our eye level. The orthogonal line is imaginary, that go back to the vanishing point. Again, you can only have one horizon line, because you can only have one eye level at a time. I mean, what curve are we talking about? Radar system surveying, flight dynamics, celestial navigation, GPS triangulation, the missile trajectory. All of this use a flat Earth model. The Earth is flat, covered with firmament, surrounded by infinite waters and motionless. To the next generations, please do ask questions, especially to the things they taught you, because most of it are fictions. Assalamu alaikum.